If you're looking for the best silicone wiper blades in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 silicone wiper blades you can buy today. We've included options that balance performance, durability, ease of installation, and value for money. Whether you're driving through heavy rain, snow, or extreme heat, these wipers will keep your windshield crystal clear. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, Modium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades. Modium delivers one of the most reliable all-season wipers out there. These blades fit J-hook arms and come with a frameless one-piece design, making installation super simple. The aerodynamic shape not only reduces drag, but also prevents debris buildup, so your wipers last longer. In testing, the steel sheet arc with over 1,000 stress points proved to be one of the most consistent performers. If you want a long-lasting, budget-friendly option, Modium is a solid choice. Number 2, Bosch Icon Premium Beam Wiper Blade. Next up, we have the Bosch Icon, often considered the gold standard of wiper blades. Featuring Clear Max 365 rubber technology, these blades combine a soft rubber core with a powder-coated shell, protecting against harsh weather and road debris. The exclusive dynamic fit tension spring adapts perfectly to your windshield curve, while the asymmetrical spoiler maintains strong contact even at highway speeds. On top of that, they last up to 40% longer than most premium blades. If you're looking for superior visibility and durability, Bosch Icon is tough to beat. Number 3, Bosch Clear Advantage Beam Wiper Blade. If you like Bosch quality but want something more budget-friendly, the Clear Advantage is a great pick. The graphite-treated rubber edge ensures smooth, streak-free performance. Its aerodynamic spoiler applies even pressure across the windshield, which helps especially at high speeds or in heavy rain. Plus, installation is a breeze thanks to the click-on adapter system, which fits most common wiper arm types. For those who want Bosch performance at a lower price, the Clear Advantage is an excellent buy. Number 4, Rain-X Latitude Water Repellency Wiper Blades. Rain-X takes things to another level with the Latitude, and this isn't just a wiper blade, it's a 2-in-1 system. While clearing your windshield, it also applies Rain-X's patented water repellent coating, so water beads up and rolls right off. The advanced beam design ensures a consistent streak-free wipe, while the universal adapter makes installation simple for nearly any vehicle. If you want both cleaning and water repellent protection in one product, the Rain-X Latitude is a top contender. Number 5, Rain-X Silicone Endura Wiper Blades. Finally, we have the Rain-X Silicone Endura designed for drivers who need maximum durability. These blades are made from resilient silicone rubber, proven to last twice as long as traditional blades. Thanks to climate defense technology, they resist cracking, drying, and weather damage, even in extreme temperatures from 20 degrees to 194 degrees. The advanced beam technology hugs your windshield perfectly, delivering a smooth, streak-free wipe every time. If you live in an area with extreme weather, this blade is built to handle it all. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 silicone wiper blades. From budget-friendly options like Modium to premium long-lasting picks like the Rain-X Silicone Endura, there's a wiper blade here for every driver. Check the description below for links to each product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safe.